How to fix Windows Update error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows Update error code 0800f0991. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to head over to your search bar and search for troubleshoot. So simply search for troubleshoot and you'll find the troubleshoot settings. Simply open that up. After you open that up, here you'll find other troubleshooters. Open it up, and there you'll find a troubleshoot option for Windows Update. All you have to do is hit run, and it should start troubleshooting for your Windows Update. Now it will scan for any issues and any problems, and if it detects anything, it'll also start resolving them. And after the troubleshoot is done, you can close this settings window. And after you close the settings window, you can wait for a few moments and try your Windows Update again. And if that does not fix your update problem, you can hit Windows plus R key to open up your run. And after you open up your run, you'll find services plus MSC. You'll need to type that in and then hit enter. It's services.msc. Hit enter and it will open up your services. Now right here, you will need to search for Windows Update. So scroll down and there you'll find Windows section where you'll also find Windows Update. Now you can double tap on it and it will open up your general. So here you'll see your properties. What you'll have to do is under the startup type, you'll have to just drop this down and select automatic. After you select automatic, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, you can restart your device. So let me just close this. You can restart your device once and then try to update your Windows again, and you will not be getting the update error. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.